Where's Xena going? Xena, what's Xena doing? Xena, Xena. Where's my Xena girl? There she is. Here, look up. Look. There's the pretty girl. There she is. This girl is so happy and active. She's got some energy. She's got meat on her bones now. She's very happy and she purrs all the time. She's just a love. And she's beautiful. Yeah.